All right, so we've got the following numbers here: 41, 7, 40, 60, 45, 55, and 45. So let's answer the following questions based on these datas. So what is the highest score? So just look for the highest. So 60. What's the lowest? Looks like 7. And then what's the range? So remember, the range is the highest subtracted from the lowest. So 60 minus 7. So you've got 53. What's the mean? That's the average. So remember, with average, you're going to add them all up. So when you add up 41 plus 7 plus 40 plus 60 plus 45 plus 55 plus 45, you get 293. And then you have to divide it by how many items there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just divide those two numbers out. And usually we just round to one decimal place. So 41 point, I've got 85, so I'll just write 9. So 41.9 is the mean. The mode, which one appears most often? It looks like we've got 45 written twice and everything else is written once. So 45 would be the mode. Now, let's look at the median. So the median, remember, you've used this formula many times to find the position. So you're going to do a half with the number of items, which was 7. There's 7 items. So we're going to do half of basically 8. So we're looking at the fourth position. Of course, we didn't make a table, so I'm going to actually write these numbers from lowest to greatest. So 7, and then we've got 40, 41, 45, 45, 55, and then 60. So the fourth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's this one, is the median. So that means the median is 45. Okay, now we're going to look at something called the lower median or lower quartile. And number 24 is the upper median or upper quartile. So you're using a similar formula as you do for median. All we're doing is changing this front number. Okay, so instead of doing a half, we're doing a quarter and we're doing 3/4. And you're more than welcome to, for the quarter, just go 1 divided by 4. And you're more than welcome to use 0.25 and plus 1. And then for 24, you're welcome to do 3 divided by 4, which is 0.75 and plus 1. So if you prefer, you could use that. So I'm doing 23 and 24 at the same time. So we already know it's 7 plus 1 from before. So we're just doing a quarter of 8. And we're going to do basically 3/4 of 8 for the other question. So I'm doing number 23 and 24 at the same time. So just type it in your calculator, go 0.25 times 8, and you get 2. And remember, it's just like with median, that's the second position when the numbers are written from least to greatest. And then when I go 0.75 times 8, I get 6. So that's the sixth position. Okay, so this is for 23, this is for 24. So I've already written it out further up. So the second position, this is 40, and the sixth position, if you just count it out, is here. So this is the median or halfway. So this would be the half. This is a quarter of the way, the lower quartile. And this is 3/4 of the way, which is the upper quartile. So the number 40, like I said, is so I might say lower quartile, and I'm going to write is 40, and the upper quartile is, and it was value of 55. And that's it.